Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WalletConnect v2 with React dApps. Complete guide step. To configure WalletConnect v2 with React dApps, start by creating a new React project if you haven't already. Open your terminal and run the command to generate a new React app. Navigate into your newly created React app directory. Install the WalletConnect package using npm or yarn. Import the necessary libraries in your main application file. Create a new WalletConnect instance with your project ID and required configurations. Set up your app state to hold the connection status and the wallet address. Add a function to connect to the wallet using WalletConnect's connect method. Handle the case where the user disconnects from the wallet to update your app state accordingly. Use useEffect to listen for changes in the wallet connection. Updating your UI is necessary. Render a button to trigger the connect function when users want to connect their wallet. Display the user's wallet address once they successfully connect. Implement error handling to capture and display any issues during the connection process. Ensure the app is responsive and user-friendly, providing feedback during wallet connection steps. Test the connection using a browser that supports WalletConnect. Confirm that your dApp responds to the connected wallet actions appropriately. Now, you're ready to dive into deploying your React dApp with WalletConnect v2 integrated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.